What are you doing, Matt?
Playing hide the
Exhaust pipe.
This is a children's program. What are you doing? Building exhaust?
Yeah, building exhaust for Chad Chevelle.
Welcome back to Jessie's Performance. It's another week here at the shop. It is hot here in Texas and things are going great. We've got JJ working on a custom fuel cell for Edwin's little Puerto Rican Toyota drag car. Insert picture here because I don't know what kind of car it is. We've got Matt working on the custom exhaust for the long bed C10, and we have Chad Chevelle just about wrapped up and ready to get on the dyno. So we will share all of what we're doing with you, and here we go.
All right, so today we tried to fit in a couple of our tanks in this little Toyota. What is it, a little Rabbit? Something like that?
Volkswagen makes Rabbits.
Oh, see, I don't even know. Well, none of them fit, so here we are. We're gonna start cutting some aluminum pieces out and we're gonna make a custom tank for them, so. Alright, so we had the tank all cut out and we have it all taped up. Right now this is the tank that's going into that little Toyota. All the things that we've had in the shop weren't really fitting correctly and weren't quite what we wanted. We wanted to get to where it actually attaches to the frame with some tabs. So we went up and cut some pieces out and everything's looking really good right now. Right now, next step is to go ahead and tack it in place and then start mocking up the tabs inside the actual frame.
We got Chad Chevelle about buttoned up. We're doing the exhaust. We got to put some rear brakes on it, and we're waiting on the drive shaft, which will be here Friday. Today is Thursday. Friday evening, we're going to dyno this thing, and hopefully we make all the power. I think that's going to be next week's video because Stacie and I are going to Houston this weekend, and she won't have time to edit. But yeah, it runs really well. We still got to burp the cooling system a little bit and double check all the fluids, but she's choice. I like it.
So Matt's been working on installing the exhaust on this long bed C10 project that we've been working on, and we ran into a little bit of an issue once we got the drive shaft that the X pipe the customer bought wasn't going to fit. So we're making our own.
They want an X pipe. They want axle dump right here and mufflers, obviously. But the problem is the X pipe that he had purchased wouldn't make this corner right here without being up in the drive shaft because it would have to be back here. So I had to make an X pipe, and then we're gonna 90 off this going there, and then come out through here, straight to the mufflers, and it should be good to go. I'm just making everything right now.
So I'm out here with my Transmero and I wanted to talk a little bit about it. I know that we were like hitting things really hard and getting the tube chassis stuff set up, and Jessie's kind of taken a little bit of a step back. We both decided that we're probably not going to push to have this car done for LS Fest East in September. I would prefer that we take our time and get it 100% correct and do a lot of testing before we try and take it to an event. That's just me. It never works out to rush something together and try and go out balls to the wall, right? I would rather make sure that the car is safe, that the car goes straight, that the car is going to perform, and get all the bugs worked out before we try and take it to an event. So as sad as it is, my car is kind of sitting. We have to focus on getting the Duramax right because we have to be able to haul cars to Kentucky. So my car is on idle right now, but that doesn't mean that we are going to put the project off. We will still have it done. I will still be racing, and I will have it at LS Fest West next year. So that's an update on the Transmero. All right, y'all, that's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, subscribe, comment on our videos. It will really help our channel to grow. Tune in every Sunday at 8:30 to catch our latest videos. Thanks for watching.
All right, so here's something funny for you guys. I let Matt drive Old Blue, right? He's like, why don't we turn it up? Why don't we turn it up? He didn't realize that Old Blue had this 2-inch two-piece drive shaft with original style carrier bearing that's looser than them pretty ladies on the Vegas Strip.
The video's not really doing it justice.
No?
It's like
I can reach around it, like, right?
Like tiny little U-joints.
Yeah, it's definitely.
Like third gear, wide open throttle. Like, what's that vibration? Like, the door handles are falling off the truck and stuff.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, right now it's a stand-in for a yoke so we don't leak.
Yeah, it's just a plug. It's a butt plug.